Good evening, everyone. This is your weather on the fly evening edition for Friday, December 8th, 2023. Your current conditions and temperatures. Current dew points. Current relative humidity. Current wind speeds. Your severe potential for Saturday, December 9th, 2023. There is a slight risk of severe thunderstorms from parts of East Texas into the Tennessee Valley. A few tornadoes, scattered damaging winds, and large hail will all be possible. Your excessive rainfall outlook for Saturday, December 9th, 2023. There is a slight risk of excessive rainfall across portions of the Pacific Northwest, with a marginal risk from the central Gulf Coast up into portions of the Tennessee-Ohio valleys. Your forecast temperature outlook for Saturday, December 9th, 2023. Your future scan for Saturday, December 9th, 2023. Your future scan for Sunday, December 10th, 2023. Thanks for tuning into your Weather on the Fly Evening Edition. Be sure to share, like, and subscribe for daily outlooks and for future severe and/or tropical weather updates.